G'day and welcome back to Plant Profiles. Today's plant that we're profiling is the passion fruit. Now, passion fruit has been around for a very long time. It's also from South America, like many of the plants that we've been profiling here this month, and it is a vining plant. So as you can see, I've got this one here on a trellis. Just get my mulberry out of the way, which it has climbed all over. I've actually had to train it a bit to stick onto it, otherwise it would try and climb up walls and get into things, which is not super helpful. They're really aggressive growers, can be quite invasive if you don't look after them. This one's in a pot, and they're doing really well. It's got lots of tendrils to help it cling onto things, and it is bearing fruit. Even though it is in a pot, it can still bear fruit. So this will go a lovely dark purple colour when it is ripe. They have these absolutely fascinating flowers. One of my favourite flowers out there. They just look so bizarre and alien. Passion fruit like well-drained soil. They like a lot of water though. So they like to have a lot of water, especially when they're growing, especially when they're young, especially when they're growing fruit. They can tolerate a range of different temperatures. They don't like to get too cold. So if you experience lots of frost, a bit of frost protection is good for these, but they prefer subtropical and temperate climates, which is perfect for growing here in Melbourne, Australia. And they like a bit of sun. But when they're young, they're a bit more sensitive to lots of wind. So this one is in a corner of my yard, which is pretty protected. It gets a lot of sun though. They're pretty heavy feeders as well. So I fertilise these at least twice a year to ensure that they're as healthy as can be. A great, easy to grow addition to your yard, providing you've got the space to let it grow and it doesn't get freezing cold over winter. It is the passion fruit.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.